thanks to Ava, we unlocking the secrets of numbers, composed of multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are not just abstract concepts. They are foundational operations that every aspect varies in daily life, from balancing budgets to handling recipes. Understanding these operations is essential for effective constantly across various disciplines. This condition will demystify how this cooperation looks by breaking down the individual components. The building blocks of multiplication. Definition. Multiplication is essentially the repeat addition of numbers. For example, 3 times 4 means saying 3 to 4 times 3 has 3 equals 12 factors. Use the numbers that multiply together in the operation. In the example, 3 times 4. Numbers 3 and 4 are the factors. The part is the ultimate result of simple multiplication operation. For instance, and 3 times 4 equals 12. Number 10 is the heart. Multiplication in action. Identifying components. Any multiplication problem, no matter how complex or simple or complex, consists of identical parts of the part. Recognizing this confers in the first step to assessing the part. Example 1. 8 times 3 equals 24. Factors 8 and 3 prop 24. Example 2. 15 times 10 equals 300. Factors 15 and 20 prop 300. The elements of division. Definition. Division is the process of splitting a quantity into equal groups or determining how many times a number fits into a number. Divide. This is the total amount that's being divided. For example, in 20 divided by 4, the number 20 is the division. Divisor. The divisor is a number of equal parts or groups into which the division is being split. And 20 divided by 4, the number 4 is the divisor. Quotient and remainder. The quotient is the result of the division. Example 10 and 20 divided by 4 is 5. The remainder is any amount left over if the division is not perfectly even. Example, and 20 divided by 3 equals 6. Remainder 2, the remainder is 2. Division and elucidation, pinpointing concepts. Understanding the rules of each component in the division part is crucial for accurate and problem solving. Every division part will have these key elements where they are splitting each side and implicitly understood. Example 1. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Divide 35. Division 7. Quotient 5. Remainder 0. Example 2. 47 divided by 9 is 5. Remainder 2. Divide 47. Division 9. Quotient 5. Remainder 2. The interconnectedness. Inverse operations. Multiplication and division are found to be linked to their relationship as inverse operation. Using the one operation is instantly undoes the other, making them powerful tools for change and solving equation. Multiplication starts the process of combining an undo constant. Each operation effectively cancels the other out. Factories demonstrate the relationship. 4 times 5 equals 20, so 20 divided by 5 equals 4, and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Division reverses multiplication, real numbers are parts. Solve for unknown components. Leveraging the inverse relationship between multiplication and division allows us to solve for missing Using equations, this strategy approach simplifies algebraic thinking and algebraic thinking and make complex problems approachable. Missing pattern. If you have 6 times 1 equals 48, use the ring to find the unknown. 40 divided by 6 divided by 8. Missing divide. For 1 divided by 7 is 9. Multiply to find the divide. 9 times 7 is 64. Missing division. 172 divided by 1 is 8. Divide the divide by the question. 72 divided by 8 is 9. Conclusion. Mastering the fundamentals. By mastering composite variation and division, you equip yourself with essential answering skills that is entirely on basic arithmetic. Multiplication involves factors combined to yield half. Dividend the sets of divided in a divisor, resulting in a quotient and sometimes a remainder. These operations are fundamentally linked as in math processes, which each table are undoing the other. Identify these components significantly in whose factory abilities and lays a strong foundation for algebraic thinking and more complex mathematical concepts. Thanks for watching. Make sure I am subscribed for more videos and so I have some social media, which is my YouTube channel, my Facebook page is here, and so I also have a Google Classroom account, which is and the classes go like this. Thanks for watching.